All right, so we are going to be doing a screencast for exercise 9.4. This is kind of like a drawing where we're introducing a little bit of the drawing in a circumscribed hexagon. There's also some math. We're going to do some subtraction and addition. A little bit of trying to find where dimensions are. They're certainly all not given very easily in this one, but we should be able to tackle it pretty quickly and easily in this drawing. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to start off with the line command, and we're going to draw from this corner and create our shape. Just because we have these two chamfers on the corner here, which are a little bit messy to work with. So I have dynamic input on. I'm also going to have ortho mode on, because most of this drawing is 90 degrees, which will make it a little bit easier. And I have snaps on, which we may edit those snaps in a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in line to start my drawing. And then this is going to be my 0, 0 here. So I'm going to type in 0, 0. Move it a little bit more towards the middle of the screen. So most of my drawing is going to wind up being on the left side of my y-axis here. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to go up. Okay, we could go many ways with this, but I'm just going to go with this way because I think it's the quickest and easiest. So I'm going to go up. It tells me it's 1.44 up to the top. So 1.44. And then I'm going to go to the left. Okay, now most people make the mistake is they go 1.9 to the left. Okay, but if we do that, we're actually too far because that dimension is to the corner here, but it's actually a distance back to where this line is going to end. And it actually tells us that on the bottom that it's 0.13 back. So 1.9 minus 0.13. Okay, so if I do the math there, you can break out a calculator for this if you need it. Okay, it's going to be 1.77. Okay. I then need to go down on this angle, which is going to be negative 0.13, comma, negative 0.13. So I have my angle here. And now I need to go down, which is another distance I need to figure out. How far is it from here to here now? So if I take 1.44 and I minus, I'm going to subtract 0.31. Okay, I do that, and I'm going to end up with, oh, let's see here, 0.43, 0.13, 1.13. Okay, and then I'm going to have to divide that by 2. Okay, so probably should get my calculator out here for this, instead of trying to be the superhero doing it all in my head. Okay, 0.31. You divide 1.13 by 2 to get the distance of these two sides here. And then I'm going to minus the 0.13. So I'm going to go down, mathematically I'm going to go down 0.435. Okay, so it's requiring you to do a little bit of math, a little bit of thinking here with this drawing. Now I'm going to go in. It tells me that distance is 0.31. Okay, I need to go up. Once again, does not give me the answer here. So I have to take 0.75 minus 0.31 and then divide it by 2. So that's 0.22 up. And then it tells me I need to go 0.3 over. And then it tells me from here to here is 0.75 down. Now I repeat. Okay, it's 0.30 over. From before it was 0.22. Then it was 0.31. Okay, and then I went down 0.435. Okay, and then now I'm going to move to the right 0.13 and down 0.13. So 0.13, comma, negative 0.13. And then I can close it up with a C. So a little bit of math in there, but it really is not too bad when we focus and we think about it. Now I'm going to put in the hexagon here. Okay, so that's a polygon, and the hexagon has 6 sides, so I'm going to type 6. And now I need to tell what the center is. So remember, my origin is this corner. So we're going to the left 0.38 and up 0.8. So I'm going to type that in. So it's negative 0.38, comma 0.8. And that's going to be the center of my drawing. Now it wants to know, is the hexagon inscribed? Is it inside of the circle? It's outside the circle, so it's circumscribed. So I can type C, or I can click on that. And now it wants to know, okay, what is the diameter of the circle that it is around? It tells us the radius is 0.75, and we know 0.75 divided by 2 is 0.375. Okay, it turned it, so I'm going to need to rotate this to fix this up a little bit. Okay, to find the center, I can draw a line, go from one corner to another, one corner to another. Okay, now I have a nice little X. I will type in rotate, choose my shape here, press enter, choose the midpoint or center point, and then I'm going to rotate this around. Okay, and I will end up with deleting that, and I'll end up with the final drawing where this hexagon is kind of built into the corner. Okay, and that brings us really to the end of this drawing here. Okay, I'm just looking at something, make sure I didn't make a mistake here. No, I think I did all right. Okay, so now we're going to need to save this drawing, so I'll save it. Okay, adding in always my last name, exercise, and then this is 93 or 9.3. And then I'm also going to plot it, Microsoft Print to PDF, window, and I'll draw my window and press plot, and then save this drawing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful. If you have any questions, please ask me.